To address these three main concerns, we are tackling three very important legislation in the Committee on Energy. And these legislations are in various stages right now, but let me briefly discuss the main points of this legislation that we are tackling today. First one is the Energy Virtual One-Stop Shop. And this legislation actually is nothing new. In fact, USAID financed and launched an Energy Virtual One-Stop Shop exclusively for renewable energy. Taking the same idea, we're now expanding it to all forms of energy sources. The objective is very simple, to streamline the process. It is technology-driven. We all agree that without the use of modern technology, we cannot launch a streamlined process. And at the end of the day, eliminate corruption. Let me just again go through the salient points. This will be a technology-driven legislation. The legislation will create an online platform to link up all the different agencies and all the different bureaus of the government. The energy proponents will just do very simple things. Apply through the online system, and with the online system they can actually track now at what stage their application is, and the system will also allow online payment. Again, the system will be exclusively for building power plants, regardless of what technology. It will not engage in incorporating your corporate papers or BIR or taxes issues. It will just be exclusively for building power plants. Because of its online feature or its technology-driven feature, it will link now the different government agencies. As you know, one of the most complicated tasks in the business sector is actually putting up a power plant. It takes about 1,340 days to just get your permit. That's 3.5 years just to get your permit, not including building your power plants. You have to undergo 359 signatures to get those permits. If you talk to Reggie Casas of the solar industry, yesterday he mentioned 555 signatures just to get your solar power plant operational permits. You also have to undergo 74 different agencies, not including DOE, but actually DOE is only 10% of the entire process. The 90% actually, you have to go through the different government agencies, the Department of Environment, the Department of Agrarian Reform, Department of Transportation. So, going through that 74 different agencies, you also have to navigate through 20 different laws that govern those agencies. And at the end, you have to sign up 43 different contracts. So that's the amount of complexity you have to go through just to get your permit. This is a pre-development stage. Iba pa ho yung development when you put up your power plant. In fact, there's a famous anecdote that I heard from the former ambassador of England, Ambassador Asif. I think there's one British investor took him about 21 years just to get his permit for a hydropower plant in Palawan. And because of that large time frame, he married 3 times in that process. And I don't know how many children he had, but the sad story is he didn't make it. He passed away, I think, last year, so God rest his soul. But it's really one difficult process just to get your permit.